Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial on our channel where we will talk about how to add the TikTok link to your Instagram bio. Let's go to the watching. So it's a really cool possibility if you want to share with your friends your TikTok account, your TikTok channel, and to add the needful link to your bio. Let's check how to do it. And the first step we need to do is to open our TikTok app. So right now I will show you how to get the needful link if you are on your account, if you want to get your own link. So this is our channel, please follow us, we will be so happy about it. And let's tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen, go into the settings option. Later we need to tap on the share profile and choose copy link. Please wait some time when our link is copied, and later we need to go to the Instagram app. Right now we are located on the profile page, as you can check, and let's press the edit profile option. And we can also add it to the bio, but after our followers are not able to pick on the link and go to the TikTok. But if we will go to this links option and tap on the add external link feature, we can add it as a bottom. So let's tap on the first bottom here and paste the link. Later we can add some additional title for it, so we can tap like our TikTok. Let's tap done to save these changes, arrow, and done. Well done! So guys, from now on, after picking on this link, our followers and we also can check the result and get access to our profile. So it's really very convenient because it's a really cool way to customize your profile page and to share with others your TikTok channel. So guys, don't forget about likes if this tutorial was useful, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out even more cool fun tricks. Good luck!